Only one question directed to ED Benaventura. Attorney, Madam Chair, in your monitoring and analysis of covered and suspicious transactions, may I know if you're able to identify any suspicious transaction involving the accounts linked to VP Sara or her family? That's all, Madam Chair.
Again, for the guidance of the Honorable Biron, with all due respect, the subject matter of the subpoena is not the account. The subject matter of the subpoena is covered transactions and suspicious transactions. That is for the guidance of all the members.
Madam Chair. Madam Chair.
Would you like to answer, ED?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Kindly limit your answers to the subject matter of the subpoena.
Yes, there are suspicious transactions and covered transactions found in our system, database, or record.
Does that satisfy the Honorable
Yes,
Biron?
thank you, Madam Chair.